I won't lie to my crochet ladies, the treble stitch used to scare me as well, but not anymore, and I'm going to show you how to do it in this tutorial. And if we haven't met, I'm Grace and I show you the crochet tips you didn't know you needed. When you're working a treble stitch from the chain, we start in the 5th stitch in the chain. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the stitch that we're going into. Now with the treble stitch, we yarn over twice. So we'll yarn over once and we'll yarn over again. And now we find that 5th stitch. So just to count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we put our hook through that 5th stitch. So pop the hook through and there we go. That's the start of our treble crochet. Now we're going to yarn over again and pull up a loop. So watch that pull up. And from here, we should have 1, 2, 3, 4 on our hook. So now we are going to yarn over again and pull through 2 loops on the hook. 1, 2. So now we have 3 loops on our hook and we are going to yarn over again, pull through another 2 loops. So that's 1, that's 2. Got a little bit caught there, but that's 2 loops. And now we yarn over one last time and pull through the final 2 loops. And that is how you do a treble crochet. I'm going to show you that again a little bit faster this time. So we're going to do a double yarn over and we're going into this stitch here, this next stitch. So that's the double yarn over. We put our hook through the next stitch in the chain. We're going to yarn over again. We've got 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through another 2 loops. And once that's pulled through, we yarn over a final time and pull through the final 2 loops. So that is how you do a triple crochet. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe and you'll get more crochet tips and tutorials very soon.